Summer. Feel the warmth of the sun, the fire in the sky, see the dandelions in the yard. Normally, summer is a time for travel, family vacations, day trips. Not this year so much. This year, we've experienced a great energy shift. The theme of this issue, very fittingly, is journeys. But it's not just about that travel. While we do talk about travel and some trips and a journey in time, we also talk about the benefits of a shamanic journey and how to go about going on a shamanic journey. We talk about harnessing the power of the sun with your crystals. We talk about herbs, gardening. Laura Shanahan has a great article about elderberries. Brittany Morris has a great article about the retreat of the mind. So regardless of whether or not you can get out and about, your mind can go on a retreat in and of itself. We also have a great special section called Journey Shared. And in this section, we have 8 women have shared their journeys with us, how they got to where they are today, where they started out, what got them onto the path that they're on today. And these are all women of different paths. Judy Bezis of Illuminate Festivals, Maya Toll, Rosemary Gladstar, Catherine Hart, several others. Like I said, these incredible women are share their stories with us about their journeys. So grab a cup of tea, come along for sit a spell with us, and join us on our journey. And we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.